Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will draw the clinographic projection of zircon. So before starting the construction of zircon, I will tell you about the symmetry forms and common minerals crystallized in tetragonal system. So the crystal system is tetragonal and class is normal class or zircon type. And what is zircon? There is a clearly horizontal plane of symmetry containing the horizontal axis A1 and A2. And there are two vertical planes of symmetry, one containing the vertical axis and A1 axis, horizontal axis, and the other containing the vertical axis and the A2 horizontal axis. This means these two planes are of course at right angles. So in addition, there are two other vertical planes of symmetry, which contains the vertical axis and bisect the angles between the horizontal axis. Now there are two forms present in zircon. First is tetragonal prism of first order, that is 1 1 0, and second is pyramid of first order, that is 1 1 1. Now axial ratio, that is axis C is equal to 0.9054. So the units are 2:5.4:6 into 0.954, that is 5.4. And the elements of symmetry, there are 5 planes in which 3 axial, 2 diagonal, and 5 axes in which 4 axes are of 2-fold and 1 axis are of 4-fold. Now a center of symmetry, unit symbols are HKO and HKL, or you can say 1 1 0 or 1 1 1. And common minerals are zircon, rutile, cassiterite, anatase, etc. So this is zircon and its elements of symmetry. So let's start with construction of zircon. So we will take A2 axis as usual 5.4 and A3 axis, that is C axis, is also 5.4 and A1 axis is 2 inch. Okay, and name plus A2, minus A2, C plus and C minus. Now in next step, what will we do? We extend 1 unit, total 1 unit. That means the 5 unit from upper side and 5 unit from lower side. Means 5 unit means 0.5 inch, or you can say half inch. Half inch from this point and half inch from this point. So total C axis length is 6.4. Now after that, we will draw a parallel line to A3 line, A3 or C axis, on in which minus A2 plus A1 minus A1 and plus A2. So this is total 1 inch, 5 inch upper side, sorry, 0.5 inch upper and 5.5 lower. This is total 1 inch. Total 1 inch.
सर माइक ऑफ हो गया है आपका।
Okay. So let's start with beginning. Draw A1, A2, and A3 axis, that is 5.4 inch A2 axis, 5.4 inch C axis, and 2 inch A1 axis. And extend 5 units, that is 0.5 inch on C plus axis and 0.5 inch minus C axis. And draw a parallel line to A3 या C axis on minus A2 plus A1 minus A1 and plus A2. Okay, that means 5 unit both the side, 5 unit upper side and 5 lower side. And next step, join upper part of, this is upper part of minus A2, this is upper part and this is lower. Join upper part of minus A2 with upper part of plus A1 and plus A2. So this is upper part, this one, and upper part, this one. And join lower part of minus A2 with lower part of plus A1 and lower part of plus A2. Okay, like this, a box like. Now in next step, join lower part of, sorry, upper part of minus A2, upper part of minus A2 with upper part of minus A1, this is minus A1 and plus A2, and lower part of minus A2 with lower part of minus A1 and plus A2 with dotted line, because this is back face. So here you can see this one, this one, this one, like this with dotted line. This is making back faces, dotted line. Okay, it is clear. Now in next step, what will we do? We join, this is C plus plus, this is C plus, and the extend part is C plus plus. So we join C plus plus with upper part of minus A2 and plus A2, like this. Sorry, this is upper part. This is upper part and lower part with C minus minus, like this. Okay, this is next step. Join C plus plus with upper part of minus A2 and plus A2, and join C minus minus with lower side of minus A2 and lower side of plus A2. Now in next step, join C plus, this C plus and C minus, C plus and C minus with midpoint of minus A2 and plus A2 both the side.
अगर आप पैसे जाना है और पैसे जोड़ना स्टार्ट कर दें तो आप उसे आप बिक जाएंगे, आप 30 में दे सकते हैं.
This one, these are back faces.
नहीं में पता लगेगा ना. नॉर्मल बनेगा.
like this. Okay. Now, in next step, join C++ and C minus minus with upper and lower side of plus A1 and minus A1. Now, see, this is C++. So this is upper portion and lower portion with C minus. This is upper portion of A plus minus A1, and this is lower portion of minus A1 with C plus plus. Okay. Now in last step, we will join C plus and C minus with midpoint of this one. This is midpoint of plus A1. This is so this is the construction of Zircon. If there is any query, you can ask me.